Hey guys, we just finished up our class, but I wanted to get on here and show you how I created that Google form to be able to get all of my sphere of influence emails without having to ask each of them and then keeping up with all of that. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your web browser, go to Google, click the tic-tac-toe board and go to your Google Drive. If you do not have a Google account, guys, they don't cost anything. So go ahead and create one of those. Then what you're going to do is you're going to add a new. You're going to go to Google Form. Click the little arrow, and you're going to go to a blank form. First things first, we want to go ahead and title this form. So you could title it, let's stay connected, or my sphere of influence. Okay, so then my sphere of influence. Okay, then this is what it's titled now here. Now, if I want this to be different, that's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and change that to ED. Okay, in the description, I wanna let them know why I'm sending them this. Remember, this is my sphere of influence. These are people who already know, like, and trust me. Okay, so it's not uncommon that I'm sending them an email and I'm asking for their information. So in here, I may just want to say, hey friends, it's Jackie, and I am working on my database. Be honest with them. I have your phone number, but I have to move my face, but do not have your email. If you could please include your email in this survey, I will make sure to only email you information. Whoops. You have requested, or you have requested. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and put my name on here. All right. So now, first question, name. It should go ahead and select that it's a short answer. If not, just click that little down arrow right here and do short answer and make it required. The reason why is because you don't want people to just put their emails on there because you have no idea who this person is. So you need their name first. Okay. Then you're going to click this add a question button. Email. It's already short answer. I want to make this required. I click that button. Now I'm going to click this the 2 T's. Okay, that's the title and the description. So right here, I'm just going to say thank you for sharing your email, with me. Remember, I am here to help with any and all of your real estate needs. Okay, now it's finished. Now, if I want to make this look like it's branded for me, I'm going to click this little paint easel right here. I'm going to customize it. Right here, it says you can choose an image. Guys, in Canva, you can create email headers, or it could even just be like whatever. Okay, so you're going to choose an image. You can go to your photos. These are your photos that are already uploaded, or you can upload a photo. Okay. You're going to go ahead and grab that. Now, this was an email header that I made on Canva. And what do you notice? It doesn't show everything, okay? So I'm going to have to bring it down. This is all the space that I have, okay? I'm going to click done. And notice it's purple. But purple doesn't really match with that. So what Google does is it automatically changes up the colors so that way it aesthetically looks nice. But if you don't like that color right there, you notice it's checked right here. I can select this one. I can pick this one, whatever. Because look, it's pulling the colors from this picture. Okay. Once I'm finished, I'm going to go ahead and hit that X. Now, what does this do? This is going to give me information, the emails that I want from my sphere of influence, and I didn't have to call them all. I didn't have to text them all. It's going to be all nice and neat. So how do I do this? I'm going to hit send, click this link button, shorten the link, copy the link. And now when I go into my kvCORE, I can do a mass text to all of my sphere of influence who I don't have their email for, send them this link and ask them to go ahead and fill that out. Now, as they're coming in, okay, you're going to go back to this form and your responses will be right here on the response line. Okay. Right now it's showing 0. That's okay. But what it'll do is it'll give you a summary, it'll give you each question, and then it'll give you each individual. So you can just highlight their name and then put it into your kvCORE. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful. I hope you're able to use this, and that way you can have more emails into your database. Because remember, we want to text them, but we also want to call them and email them. All right, guys, bye.